In this final experiment, we'll be seeing how groundwater is formed. This happens due to different densities in water that is found in Malta. The denser that an item happens to be, then the heavier it is. For example, a box of rocks is heavier than a box of corks. That is because rocks are much denser than corks. What you'll need for this experiment is 2 glasses, some hot water, table salt, a syringe, a spoon, some glass pebbles, and food coloring in 2 different colors. Did you know that in Malta, if you dig for a long time, you'll eventually find water? Some of this water is used for our day-to-day lives. This next experiment will show how that water is formed in nature. Start by filling a transparent container with pebbles. If they are also transparent, it's even better. That way you'd be able to see it more clearly. The pebbles are like the earth underneath us. Next, you need to pour equal amounts of water into the glasses, as you've done so already. After that, put 2 drops of red food coloring into 1 glass. Then, put 2 drops of blue food coloring into the other glass. Now, put 2 spoonfuls of salt into the blue glass and stir them in well. This will be the denser water sample, just like the seawater which surrounds our islands. Now, using the syringe, slowly pour the blue water in. You will see how the salty blue water goes all the way down to the bottom. Very good. Almost done. Just a bit more. Excellent. After that, slowly pour in the red water. Here, the red water will be representing rainwater. As it passes through the rock strata, it will slow down. Eventually, when it gets all the way to the bottom, it will meet with the seawater that is already there. Now, since it's trickling at a slow speed and is lighter in density, it won't mix with the seawater, but will rest on top of it. Water takes a long time to pass through our rocks to reach the water underneath, sometimes up to 40 years. Nearly there. Just a bit more. Very good. Just one final push. And here you go. As you can see, the less dense water sample sits above the denser sample. This represents how freshwater sits above seawater. Thanks to this fact, after rainwater has sunk all the way down into the ground, we can still collect it. Since it doesn't mix with the seawater, not only can we drink it, but the process of slowly trickling down through all those layers of rock would have filtered the water, so it will often be good to drink. And there you have it. Now you know how to make rain, filter water, create a cloud in a bottle, and even how liquids with a different density don't mix. You also understand a bit more about some of the wonderful properties of water, this liquid that is so crucial to our well-being and survival. Happy experimenting! Would you like to find out more about the water resources in the Maltese Islands and what you can do to conserve water on a daily basis? Visit www.water.org.mt.
This project is part-financed by the European Union under the Cohesion Fund, European Structural and Investment Funds 2014-2020.